Hey guys, chill up today. Let's make a healthy avocado pasta. These avocados are highly rich in monosaturated fats, an excellent source of potassium, folate, and fiber. It can protect against your heart disease and help to regulate blood pressure. Also may help to regulate appetite and keep your eyes healthy. Okay guys, let's start to make this healthy and delicious avocado pasta. First of all, I took a vessel and adding 2 cups of water into there and let it boil in a medium flame for few seconds, and then while it's boiling adding half teaspoon of salt and also adding half teaspoon of coconut oil into there and then mixing it well. While it's boiling, I am adding 1 cup of pasta into there. Mixing it well along with the water, and then I am going to leave it for 3 to 5 minutes to boil. See, it's boiled perfectly. Guys, do not let it overboil this pasta because it will become sticky in consistency. Just take 1 or 2 pasta out of there and check it like this to get perfect consistency. Okay, now I am going to filter this pasta into a bowl. Okay, done pasta making. Now let's make avocado cream. See guys, these are the ingredients we need to make an avocado cream. I am gonna take 2 ripened avocado, and also I took some centella leaves to give some greenish in nature. It's your choice. If you don't want to take it, just leave it. It's not mandatory. And also I took 2 garlic cloves and 3 small onion and 1 green chili. And then this is the pasta water which we filtered from that pasta. See guys, this is my indoor flower garden. I am just enjoying this bud roses blooming. See how beautifully it's bloomed and giving good vibes. Okay, now let's begin to make our pasta. First of all, I am cutting this avocado and gonna peeling off the yellowish part out. See guys, I peel off 1.5 of avocados completely. So now I am gonna add all of these into a mixie jar and blend it well. Adding half teaspoon of salt along with this all. Finally, I am adding 1 cup of pasta filtered water and going to mix it well in a blender. Ooh, see guys how beautifully it's blended, giving nice inconsistency. And now I am gonna transfer it into a bowl and going to make avocado pasta. Okay, now I heated the same bowl and adding 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. When oil is heated, I am adding some mustard seeds and then adding some chopped onions and stirring it well and let it fry for a while. So while onion is frying, I am going to add that cream into the bowl and mix it well. So let it to boil for few minutes. Stir it well randomly because it may stick into the bowl. See guys, it's boiled and became nice in consistency. I'm gonna off the flame now and adding that pasta into there and mixing it well along with all cream. See guys, our avocado pasta is ready to serve now. I am presenting it with some avocado pieces and centella leaves. Okay guys, you must try it at your home and enjoy healthy eating. See you all in next video. Until then, stay safe and healthy. Bye bye.